So my studio is in a really cute residential area. So there's lots of homes and people all around. And I'm very fortunate that my studio has lots of windows. But during our Chicago winters, the trees lose their leaves and all the homes around me and their windows become apparent. Lately, though, it's changed. Spring is here and the trees have filled in. Even the Japanese maple directly outside my west window has grown to almost totally obscure my view of the garage. I find myself taking breaks to look up at the trees and witness how they've changed, or to look up to feel the sun beating through my windows. It's so refreshing and helps me regain focus while I work. This subject's upward expression reminded me of that feeling and expression, and that's why the reference image captured my eye and inspired me to draw it. I loved the way she looked up. I loved the way her dark hair made the background behind her face just disappear. It was that sense of relatability that made me draw it. I hope you'll consider subscribing if you like art content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.